Today, we're actually looking at this fume extractor. It's a powerful yet compact solution for capturing fumes and particles in your workspace. So, whether you're soldering, 3D printing, or working with resin, this fume extractor helps keep the air clean and safe. One of the standout features is this articulated arm with a 360-degree swivel base. It's easy to position precisely over your work area for targeted suction. And in just 3 pounds, it's light enough to move around your workspace without the hassle. The filtration system is designed to handle a wide range of contaminants. First, a cotton pre-filter captures dust and debris, extending the life of the filters and protecting the motor. Next, the HEPA filter captures tiny particles, while the activated carbon filter absorbs toxic fumes and odors, ensuring clean air. The fume extractor is also easy to control. It has an on and off switch and an adjustable speed dial that you can set to the level that suits your needs. Plus, the compact design makes it perfect for any workspace, whether it's your home, workshop, or a professional studio.